Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kanda. This is Praveen. In this Java playlist, we'll learn pattern programs step by step. This is Java programming, session number 32, pattern 45. Increment number reverse triangle. If you're confident about learning, like this video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about the reverse alphabet triangle. In this session, we will discuss about increment number reverse triangle. Increment reverse triangle. So row by row, you are incrementing the number, but in a reverse direction, you are incrementing. Okay. As usual, base for all the pattern programs is these three parts. Mainly the variables n indicates input size, number of lines or rows, j indicates number of times you are going to print in each and every row. That is called as the inner loop. Outer loop is I. It controls number of rows or lines. So most probably it will depends upon n only. So how much size we are giving, so that much of rows will be displayed. Okay, row decided, each and every row how many times you are going to print it, so that is also decided. Final thing, in the each and every row what you are going to print it, alphabet or number or special symbols. So this is the key point. From day 3 session onwards we are explaining this only. So this is the shortcut or mantra, what you can, that is up to you, whatever, that's up to you. So you just clear with this idea. Okay, so first observe the sample input output. If my sample input is 4, so I'm getting 4 rows. In each and every row depends upon the row number. Row number 1 means one time printing. Row number 2 means two time printing. Similarly, so on. It depends upon the line number I'm printing. After that, what I'm going to print it, that is the body of the inner loop number. So it should be clear with this. See here. What I'm doing means reading the input from the user, that is about n. Got it? Next, if my sample input is 4, we are printing 4 rows. So that is about I equal to 1 starting from the beginning, I less than or equal to n. So the n can be anything. The n size 5 or 7, whatever it is, that much of rows you are going to print it. That is about this outer for loop. Okay. I'm parallelly placing the breakpoints to understand one by one. Next, what is about the inner loop j loop? So line number 1 means one time printing, line number 2 means two times. So this time starting from the reverse manner. We clearly explained that 1 to 4 time means, that is number 1 to 4 means number of times executing is 4 times. If I'm doing the reverse direction, 4 3 2 1, that is also 4 time, only the direction is changed. Here we have to clearly observe that numbers are printing in a reverse direction till the 1. So that's why I'm changing the logic, j equal to I. If my row number is 1, okay, you should start from there and then end with 1. So that is what a j equal to I'm giving. In case the second row means start from the second row, that is number 2 to 1. So that is why I'm giving j equal to I, j greater than or equal to 1. While I'm debugging, you can able to understand. First, look at the sample input output. I'm giving my sample input as 5. Look at this output, 1 2 1 3 2 1. So each and a time going in the reverse direction. Okay, so I'm enabling the debugging option. Before that, I will place the breakpoint here also. Yeah, now you can move on to the debugging mode. Start button. If my sample input is 4, look at this output screen. It will be stored into the n variable. Okay, n variable. Next, after that, what is that? I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. Yes, it's true. Condition is true. 1 less than or equal to n. Can you able to see this in that memory area? 1 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. Inner for loop. J equal to I, j greater than or equal to 1. I will tell you why I am giving j equal to I means it starts from the row number end at 1. Row number 1 means start 1 and end with 1. Row number 2 means starts with 2, end with 1. So for that purpose, j equal to I. I'm assigning the I variable as the starting point for j. So now what's the j value after? 1. So till 1, this loop will execute. So first time 1 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true, it will print the 1 value because of this system dot out println. Next control will be move on to the j value, that is j decrement. After decrement, j value is 0. So 0 greater than or equal to 1 condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred to the line number 11. So new line will be printed, cursor is waiting the second line. After that again, I value will be incremented. Already the I value is 1, after increment 2. So 2 less than or equal to 4 condition is true, it enters into the body of the inner loop. J value now it starts with I value. What's the current I value? 2. So 2 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true. Now it will enter the body of the inner loop. J, what's the J value? 2. So 2 will be printed now. Again control will be transferred to J minus minus. Already the existing value is 2. After decrement, what's the J value? 1. So 1 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true or false? Yes, obviously it is true. Now we'll enter to the line number 9. What's the J value? 1. So 1 less 1 with space will be printed. Again, J value decremented means now this time 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1 condition is failed. Control be transferred to line number 11. New line. Cursor is waiting in the third line now. Can able to see it here. After that, I value will be incremented. Already the I value is 2. After increment is the 3. So 3 less than or equal to 4 condition is true. Yes. Again the inner for loop. Start from the J value. What is it? 3. See it in the memory area 3. So j I value is 3. So j value is also now 3. So 3 greater than or equal to 1 means 3 times this loop will be executed. First time 3 with white space. Next after decrement 2, j value is current j value is 2. Again decrementing, current j value is 1. So 1 will be printed with white space. Again if you're decrementing the j value, now the current j value is 0. Control be transferred to the line number 11. New line will be printed. Now the cursor is waiting the fourth line. That is the last iteration of I value will be incremented 4. So 4 less than or equal to 4 condition is true. Now the control will be transferred to the line number 8 inner for loop. J starts with 4. 4 greater than or equal to 4 means what is that? 4 times this loop will be executed. 4, 3, 2, 1. So first time 4 with white space is printed. After decrement, what is the J value? 3. Again after decrement, what is the J value? 2 with white space. Next, after decrement, what's the value? 1 with white space. After that, again, the condition is failed because J value will be decremented to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1 condition is failed. New line will be printed. Again, if I'm incrementing the I value, what is that? Already I value is 4. After increment, what's I value? 5. So 5 greater 5, sorry, 5 less than or equal to 4 means condition is false. Now the control will be transferred to line number 13 because condition is failed. Come out from that loop. Control will become out from the loop. So as per a sample and output, we are getting the output. If you really like this session, please subscribe the channel for more updates. Have questions, drop your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.